Calcium-rich foods. Calcium is very important in nutrients. If calcium is low in the body, the bones are healthy and can cause problems in the development of blood cells. You have seen a lot of people suffering from joint pain. These are because the calcium content in the body is very low. It is also a reason for eating foods that contain calcium. If you eat only foods that contain calcium, everything will not be fine. Because eating foods in calcium, vitamin D is essential for absorbing calcium in the body. Therefore, calcium should be eaten by vitamin D. Generally, calcium deficiency is more common in women than males. Because menstruation occurs in the month, most calcium is excreted from the body. More calcium is also lost during pregnancy. So women have more attention to eating calcium foods than men. Milk. Everyone knows that calcium is rich in milk. If women drink a protein powder in a glass of milk every day, one can get enough calcium per day. Yogurt. Those who do not like milk, eat yogurt. There is also calcium content in milk. Cheese. Cheese is one of the best milk products for women, because the cheese is rich in calcium. Dry figs. There are two types of important nutrients in the body. There are important nutrients for women. It is calcium and iron. So it's good to eat 2-3 pieces every day. Green leafy vegetables. Besides dairy products, calcium is rich in green leafy vegetables. It is also rich in calcium content, such as spinach, broccoli, etc. Sea oyster. Generally, all seafood contain calcium oxalate. But if men eat it too much, they will have kidney stones. If women eat this, you can get too much calcium. Almonds. In addition to vitamin E in almonds, 70–80% of calcium is rich. So eat a handful of almonds daily and increase the calcium in the body. Sesame. Usually we will not eat more than sunny. But in a teaspoon, calcium is present in a glass of calcium content. Brazil nuts. 6 Brazilian nuts have 45 milligrams of calcium content. There are more proteins in these nuts. Drying herbs. A lot of dried herbs also contain calcium nutrients. However, these herbs cannot be eaten anyway. But it's good if you eat them a little bit of soup and curry. Tofu. Tofu is a cheese made from soy milk. Soy milk is also rich in calcium. So this tofu is definitely calcium. Orange. Orange fruit is one of the citrus fruits, not only contains vitamin C but also contains calcium content. Soy milk. Although soy milk is not more calcium than rinse milk, it is possible to obtain 300 milligrams of calcium in a no-zone milk. Oats. By eating oats too much, the heart is healthy and fiber is very high. At the same time there is some calcium content. So for women, it's a great breakfast. Arugula. This is one of the kind of lettuce varieties. It is usually used in salads. This is because the calcium is rich in the skin. It is good to eat too often. White caramel. Usually the beans will not have heard that calcium is high. But this is also somewhat calcium-rich. More than 100 milligrams of calcium content is available in half cup white rice.